What up, Moo FPV here at my boy Deeb's house. What's up?
What's up?
Go check out his channel, Low Fly FPV, some good stuff. About to build the Merica here. Got 100 miles an hour in a box, and hopefully this will all go well. So we'll take a look, build her up, hopefully in under 3 hours, and make it happen. Findlay School Shred 2.0. Check them out, findlayhats.com. Got a nice little pocket in the inside. Got my credit card, my wallet, basically in my hat. So you could do the same. Findlayhats.com. Check them out. Got the Merica frame, some racecraft props, pink, crappy little Fly Sky receiver, Speedix 30 amp, all-in-one. Love that. Some LED. Josh Bardwell 4-in-1 FC. Got the Mach 2 video transmitter. Some XT60 that I just haven't done anything with. Little stubby antenna. Runcam micro. Merica canopy. Race day quads. Thanks for the free Velcro strap. And 4 Hyperlite motors. Sick. That's what 100 miles an hour looks like.
That's sick. That's sick.
So, let's get at it. Open up the Merica. 5-inch. Okay, come on now. Damn, son, where'd you find that? Oh, you already know they come with a battery strap. Cal's Machineworks, hook me up, Fat. Take a look at these arms. Look at that.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah. Squeeze him off this side. I didn't see him like that very much. No, not yeah. I think I'm actually your friend.
The ESC's on. Let's start mounting our motors. Motor.
My head check by a jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing is. No. When I feel heavy metal.
Couple hours into it, got the all the motors hooked up. These are looking nice and crispy. So yeah, keep going. Motors on, ESCs. My boy Deeb hooked me up fat with some Chinese. You already know what it is. Alright, so we're pushing 3 hours now. Bummer. So this is where we're at. We got the VTX in there, almost wired up. Got our flight controller wired up with their ESC wires, all of our motors, XT60. Frames put together. So just gotta keep adding the VTX, add the camera, and add the receiver, and plug it in and hope that nothing blows up. So that's where we're at.
What's up? That's the moment of truth.
The moment of truth. We're gonna plug this bad boy in and hopefully not have any loud cracking, popping noises or smoke.
That is a successful boot up.
It is a good boot up. All right, we did it! Yeah!
Congrats.
Findlay, sponsor me! All right.
Yeah.
It is 10:30. Deeb's doing some editing, some lit videos, Low Fly FPV. Check them out. And I got the flight controller in. I got the camera mounted, and I'm just gonna put the receiver in and get her plugged into beta flight. See what happens. Yeah, dude. Yee.
Oh man, it's all in one piece.
I know, dude. Look at that.
When did that happen? I think it's sick. Look at those motors. So beautiful.
Well, there it is. America. Couldn't get it hovering.
We tried.
We tried so hard. I think I squished a wire in there or something, so I'll have to come back in. But it's done. It looks awesome. I'm super stoked. So yeah, stay tuned for first flight video sometime in the future. Moo FPV out.